Hello everyone, it is currently 8:59 in the morning, so good morning. We've got ourselves a severe thunderstorm warning, about to pull up the lovely old radar and get our weather station up. Well, I call it the weather station, but I'm just a nerd. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh wow, look at that. Pull that radar. Not too shabby. Looks like it is mostly cutting above where I am now. As usual. A little storm dome. But, yeah, that doesn't look too great. But it doesn't look like I'm gonna have to be activated for this. Considering it's above where I am. I'm like down like right there. All this stuff is like right above me and moving in this direction, so I don't think my spotter location is going to be activated. Because, well, there's nothing going on for me. But, yeah. I believe this is EAS capture number 3. Woohoo!